Cummins garden tiller. It was free. Somebody was throwing it away. So see if we can get it running. Looks like the engine, it turns over. Doesn't have a lot of compression, but I don't know. I think we can get it running. Let's see if it has spark here. Oh yeah, lots of spark, so that's good. Grab flathead here. Maybe we'll spray some brake clean down into it and see if it'll start. It won't start with the fuel that's in it. Boy, that's pretty dirty, huh? Is that upside down? No, I guess not. Okay. Let's see here. Choke works. Run, stop. Some brake clean down into here. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. All right. Now she runs. That pull starter got stuck out. That's why it squealed like it did. Okay, well, obviously somebody's taking this guy off of here. This is the little pulley system, or the yeah, it's what engages the blades. All right, get this thing. I'm gonna take the carburetor off real quick and see how gummed up the jets are. I feel like this tube's gonna get in my way if I don't loosen this right now. Come on. Jeez. Where'd that go? This carburetor's kind of weird to me. It's got like a diaphragm here, which stinks because I was thinking that this was going to be easy. The other one's going to be a little more difficult. Need a wrench. Unfortunately, these are standard and I don't have standard wrenches here, so gonna hope for the best. Hope for the best. Oh, come on now. Oh, there it goes. guys can see this, but sorry if you can't. Darn. Huh. Don't understand why they put the bolt hole in such a terrible spot. Alright. I got that. There's a little wire here. Pretty sure you just press this tab and pull that out. And then there goes the gasket. Let's see here. Spring. Don't want to mess it up. Gonna mess it up. Oh well. It's alright. I'll reshape it. There's that. Alright. I'll probably just shoot some carburetor cleaner in there and get all that stuff out of there. Soak the rest up with a paper towel. Kind of scoop out that last remaining rust. Whatever, good enough. That gunk away from there. Come on. Dang it. All right. Yeah, I don't know if it'll suck any gas in with this diaphragm here. Whoa. Spring? These diaphragms, they won't work if they're not soft enough. If they're... These might work, though. I don't know. Because it opens and closes with the pulses of the motor. Open and close these little valves. But if they're too stiff, and also this diaphragm here, which this thing's kind of stiff, I don't know, it might work. This is what pulses it. So it's sucking in, pulse, 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 boop, 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 and then it's opening and closing these valves, letting fuel in one side and then into the engine on the other side. I'm gonna see if I can find one of these. I was able to find a carburetor kit and a new belt. This should be a good belt. It's 3/8 by 29 inches. So hopefully that fits. According to the MTD online breakdown, that is their belt. It's 3/8 wide by 29 inches circumference, I guess. And this isn't the exact same, but it's very close. There's one hole missing, which I'm pretty sure will be fine. For just one more show. This hole right here, so we'll have to cut a little piece out of there. But as you can see, this one is brittle. It's stiff, and this one's floppy, nice and soft. Allow it to move around like it's supposed to. I can hear it in the tank, so that's a good thing. So that one goes straight to the tank. That's where it sucks it in, and then this is where it puts it into the engine. So should be able to see it come out here somewhere. If I turn the choke off. I don't know. Regardless, you can hear it. So should be all right. Beverly Hills. Whatever. Throw it together, see if it works. All right. So there's one hole on this that's a little bit covered up. So that one right there, it's gonna take a small amount out of that, I think. And yeah, otherwise it should work. I'm gonna press on it here so I can see. Press pretty firm, and hopefully it left a little indentation in there. It's hard to see, but where are my other scissors at? Here we go. Little babies. Let's take a little triangle out of that. I think that might give me enough clearance there to put it back together. Yeah. Uh-oh. I'm back. We'll see if it works. Let me close. Now that I'm sitting here looking at it, I'm like, are those cut exactly the same? Nope. Wait, backwards. They're close. Okay. So, under all this, gotta put our little spring. Set that there for a second. Little spring, little pushy thing. Da-dum. Aye. These little guys. Alright, there's a little tab you press here, and then you insert your little kill wire. It's the wire that kills it, grounds out the coil to the block. Oh, come on. Throttle control. There we go. Twist that up a little bit. Put this guy in here. Oh, it goes the other way. You just this bad. Well, I got it in there. All right, let me get these tightened up. See what happens. See, choke, run. wrong way. Ah. That's annoying, but all right, it runs. Just throw this back on. Okay. Won't still run. Oh, come on. No. All right. All right. Now, let's see which way. So it pulls it up that way. So this would have to sit underneath the belt, the little roller or the pulley. But which side? Looks like maybe this belt has to go up above this pulley. Oh, it's hot. Watch out. I might be wrong. Come on. Alright, see what happens, I guess. It's a little rocky here, but we'll see what we can do. Choke.